Wednesday.
It's the 9th.
We're gonna get some paella.
We're not just getting it.
We're gonna make some. I needed to make sure to get up early enough to have coffee and food as the first meal. Sangria is gonna be involved in the paella experience. We're gonna have an awesome time. We are on our way to La Rambla for the 3rd time. I really didn't think that we were going to be going to La Rambla so often, considering everyone's like, oh, you just need to go once, and that's it. But I actually don't think it's that bad.
Coming from Times Square, it's actually quite enjoyable. It's got
clean.
Trees, and it's wide, and there's space.
There's space to walk, relatively. I mean, it's really not that bad. And we have officially found La Boqueria on La Rambla. This is where we're going to go first. And we're out.
We made it.
We made it. We made it through La
Aaron
Boqueria.
somehow kept up.
I kept up. I didn't get lost. And now we're gonna go make some paella. Here we are in La Rambla, outside the apartment of our Airbnb experience host, Ignacio. Here's La Rambla. What you got there?
Yeah.
It could get really hot. Just let me know when you can't handle it more. 3, 4, 5 things that I will show you that particularly that things that for me are important, okay? This is one, the starting. Always olive oil in the center. And the salt is a very important part because this is a seafood paella, okay? And the seafood has its own salt, so you have to be very careful with the salt. I will put it only once and only now, okay? And I will put it in this way, all in the edge. And cream yarca are the first and the last thing I will use in the paella. I want to just to brown them. I put them in the head to the center because it's in the head where it's the most flavor of the shrimps or the cream. I will put a bit more of oil just to get the temperature a bit low, and the peppers. They don't have to be all the 3 colors. I just like the way they look in it. 10 points now if you don't smell it.
Miso?
Super. What is this?
Chili paste? Truffle? I guess truffles usually.
One gets per first.
Скажи мою версию.
You already see it. Okay, now you can smell it. It will be easy now.
Onion.
Oh no, yes.
Onion. Onion marmalade?
Yes. It's what I mean.
Yep.
So this is sort of like a caramelized onion, but it takes longer than caramelized onion. That's like, it's called poached onion, okay? But this is 5 hours cooked, okay? You can see now how it's getting brown, and that's what I was looking for, okay? Now I will cook it just until the tomato evaporates all its water. Especially when it's some liquid, it will release that starch, and you will get that sticky result, like risotto. Okay, in risotto you need to be stirring it all the time. Here I don't want. I just want all the grains to be apart from each other. That's why I won't move it. In the broth, what you're doing is extracting flavors from all the ingredients that you're cooking. You have to focus on things that would add flavor to the liquid. Okay, usually you use 2 times to prepare any rice. Here I use 3 times because this is too white, it evaporates more. Okay. So now it's 20 minutes to be cooked. Okay. In the meantime, we're going to finish the dessert.
Turn on the gas, and then the trigger.
To the left.
To the right. I think.
But there's less of that.
Okay, then go left. You're gonna have to use more left. There you go. What do you think?
Woo! We just finished our
Paella? This
paella
is
making experience on La Rambla with Ignacio Elias. It was freaking awesome. Highly, highly recommend. He's originally from Argentina, studied gastronomy, business management, cooking, and now he does a few things here in Spain, in Barcelona, but he loves doing these classes with us. Just so awesome, so delicious.